Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible. Very slick red paint. Let's just start back here before we head up to the front. Beautiful Foose wheels all the way around. Power disc brakes all the way around on all four wheels. And underneath that SS hood lies a 454 cubic inch engine with the Performer aluminum intake, Holley Carburetor, Chevrolet chromed valve covers, ceramic headers. Very clean in here. Chromed booster and master cylinder. Beautiful belt pulley system in the front. Aluminum radiator. And it is clean. Very, very clean. You heard it come in also. I mean, those headers, the long tube headers, flow back to a couple of Flowmasters. Hence that beautiful heavenly sound. The sound is just something you dream about. One of those kind of cars. It does have a manual 5-speed transmission. It is a complete frame-off restoration. Please go to our the end of this video or our website. Check out the undercarriage pictures. You could use it for a dining room table. It's so clean underneath there, freshly painted, immaculately managed, and looking good. Moser rear end as well. Beautiful, completely redone interior front and back carpet. Newer top, that is a manual top, easily done with one person. Nice, clean and clear back window as well in that. There's your Hurst shifter for your 5-speed. It does have a Sony stereo underneath the passenger seat, so you have your tunes as well. And air conditioning. Probably guessed that from the front. Cold blowing air, convertible. I mean, what a great combo. This car is stunning. Please hang out at the end of this video. Check out all the stills that I have of the trunk, the undercarriage, the engine compartment. A little closer up is the from the inventory. The interior. Make sure you go to our website, cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out this car and all the others that we have in stock. You'll see the detailed information about this and nice big HD pictures. And this video. Give us a call here at Cruisin Classics. We'll be glad to help out in any way that we can. Please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And at the end of this video, please also subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. All yours, 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.